Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Sanjeev Gar. Today we are going to discuss about solid principles. So do your program become hard to manage as it grows? So what if I told you there's a certain set of principle in object oriented programming that helps the developer to write the clean, manageable or the flexible code. So design principles we have that S is single responsibility principle, O is open close principle, L is Liskov substitutions principle, I is interface segregation principle, D is dependency inversion principle. So these principle helps the developer to write the code in more manageable, flexible or more readable code. So in coming video we will discuss more about these design principle one by one. So for this video, that's the all about this solid principle. So if you like this video, do you want this kind of the informative videos, so please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.